Hello there, this is Daniele from Toolchefs, and in this video I'm going to show you the new timer metadata module. So here in my scene I have a simple setup with a grid layout and a state machine, and on the state machine I have the set state on agent creation only option on. So the state machine only sets the state at the first frame of the simulation. So now I want to add a timer metadata that you can find under the metadata section, timer metadata. And by default, of course, this module works with a timer, so you can provide a range here. So basically our timer will be between 50 and 100 frames. And then what you can do is you can set a metadata like the state, and we want it to be we want to change the value of that metadata to 1, which is the work state. So after like a value between 50 and 100 frames, then we should see the agent changing state. You can also use the repeat option. So with the repeat, what happens is that after the first timer has passed, then another timer is going to be created, and then it will keep going forever. So for instance, if we at frame 100 we set the int value to 2, we should see first the agent working, and then it should start jogging after a little bit, yeah, like that. Okay, so what we can do also is you can also use a metadata for triggering the timer. So by default, the timer starts at the beginning of the simulation, but we could use like another metadata to drive that. So we can create a metadata, call it test metadata, for instance, something like that. It's going to be a bool, and we want it to be false. So we're going to set a keyframe there, another keyframe there, and finally another keyframe here. So whenever this value is going to be 1, basically we can set it up here. So test metadata is the name of that metadata. Whenever the value is going to be 1, so it means that that metadata is enabled. Then we change the state to 1. Actually first we enable the timer, so the timer is going to start, and then the state is going to be set to 1. So this timer has started there, and after a while you see that the agent has changed state. And of course you can also enable the repeat option. So if once this metadata has triggered the first timer, then if the repeat option is on, it will keep creating timers one after another. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.